Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. Today I'm at my parents' house. It's a really sunny day and I said why not, this is a good opportunity to work on my car on a new project. And since the really nice guys from Mangoal sent me this dash cam, I said this is really a good opportunity to install it in my Hyundai Tucson. But first, let's see what comes into the box and then discuss specs. So let's open it. So in the box we have the user manual, the brochure for the app, the rear view camera, a prying tool, the connector, the OBD connector for the power, the window plate for mounting the camera itself, and a 128GB SD card. One of the most important features of this camera is that it has an OEM fit to your car. More than this comes with a really good image sensor, the IMX335 from Sony, and it has a 4K resolution and a 150 degrees view angle. The rear view camera has a different sensor, the GC2093, and it's a full HD camera, but this is more than enough for a rear view camera. So now that we put in spec all the features of the Mangoal camera, let's remove this old one and show you how to install the new one. Now let's shortly talk about the app. The app is called SkyCam and can be downloaded from Apple Store or Google Play Store. In order to add your camera, you need to click Add Camera. Then you will be prompted with a guide, and then you have to connect to the camera itself. The password is 12345678, and then the app will be added to your application. Once added to the application, you will be prompted with the live feed from the front camera, and if you click the two squares on the left side, you can change between front camera and back camera. On the downside, you have the camera files. If you click on it, you can see all the files that are currently on the SD card that were previously recorded on the camera. By clicking on each of the files, you can download it on your phone. Also on the bottom right, you have the camera settings, and here you have some settings. If you want to record sound, then the speaker volume, photo resolution in case you want to make some photos, video resolution. For the front camera it's 4K, for the back one is full HD. Loop recording, here you can change between 1, 2 or 3 minutes loops. Exposure compensation, time watermark in case you want to see the exact time of the recording, wide dynamic range, collision sensing. Here you can select the sensitivity, collision detection sensitivity for parking. In case you activate this, you will have this sensor activated during parking. Time-lapse recording duration. Here you can select different intervals. Wi-Fi password, you can change the password. Format the SD card and a factory reset. So there you go, guys. If you like this product and you're considering buying it, follow the links in the description below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate it. So thank you very much and see you in the next one. Bye bye.